What if you want your program to keep running until a condition becomes false? That's exactly where the while loop is used. Welcome to day 7 of Python from scratch. In this video, you will learn about what is a while loop, infinite loop, and break statement. By the end of this video, you will fully understand how while loop works in Python. Chalo, let's start the video. So let's first understand what is a while loop. A while loop repeats a block of code as long as the condition is true. Let me first create a file and name it as day7.py. Let me write the basic structure of while loop. While condition and a code to run. So here, while is a keyword used for while loop, and this condition must be true for the block of code to run. And indentation is very important. There must be a space before starting this line. Let's take an example. Let's print numbers from 1 to 5. Let me first clear this. Let's first initialize a variable to 1 and then write a while loop. While I is less than equal to 5, print I, and then I to I plus 1. This line will increment I by 1 after every iteration. Let's run this. And here we got the expected output. Let's now learn about infinite loop. If we remove this line from the while loop, that means there will be no incrementation of I. Therefore, in every iteration, I will be 1. And it will never satisfy the condition I is less than equal to 5. This loop is known as infinite loop. This loop never ends. So the next concept is break statement. Let me write a code to print numbers from 1 to 10. I is equal to I is equal to 1 while I is less than equal to 10, print I. Now this code is for printing numbers from 1 to 10. Suppose if I want to end the loop when I will be 5, then let's add something for that. I'll add a if statement. If I is equal to 5. I will is equal to 5 because we have to end at 5. Then we'll add a new concept called break. This line will end the loop. So let me run this. See here. It won't move forward after 4 because we have to end it by 5. This was all about while loop. In the next video, we'll learn about list. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss day 8. See you in the next video.